G'day, Mark Fui here from FarmTrader magazine. This month we've got the latest release in New Zealand from Origin Ag, the Transkip Joskin trailer, and we've got Kieran here who's going to tell us a bit more about some of the finer details.
Yeah, hi guys, my name's Kieran from Origin Ag. Today I'll introduce you to what we call our Joskin Transcap. It's sort of a silage special here we've brought into the country. So it's called a Transcap 5515 BC125. Pretty simple how it works, so 5,500 is the length of the deck, 15 is its tonnage rating, and then the 125 is the height of the bin from the yellow piece to the bottom here. We bring it in with 2 lots of extensions on top, so we've got a 250mm piece to start with and then a 750mm piece on the top. That gets us to about 29.5 cube water level, so just under that 30 cube mark. A few unique features we've brought in on this model is the 18-ton rocker beam ADR axle. That's unique to these trailers and just brought into New Zealand for us and Joskin. We run it with some nice tyres. We've got some BKT 560, 45, 22.5 inch. They're also available with some wider tyres as well. Just preference to customers, each one is different, so they can spec it however you like. We're running hydraulic brakes on this model, so it's all 4 wheels hydraulically brake. Also available is air brakes on them as well. As standard, we've got the rear lights as like a truck type swinging light, so it can be moved. It's on a rubber bush, so it's got some movement in it. Grain doors is standard on all of them. The steel is a 4mm HLE steel, so it's quite still nice and thick and can carry some gravel and everything like that as well. Also is unique is the body's actually tapered, so at the back here it's a little bit wider than the front. Unique to Joskin is the isolating tipping ram. It can go left and right and forward and back when tipping. It's a sort of a multi-purpose cover every scenario trailer.
You can check out our test on the Joskin Transcap trailer at farmtrader.co.nz or in the FarmTrader magazine